Here's a pair of the Oakley Meta smart glasses. I'm going to show you two ways how you can factory reset these. The first way is through the Meta AI app, and the second way is on the glasses itself. So the first way is through your app. So go to the Meta AI app, and then once you're here, these are the Oakleys right here. Click on the settings icon. From here, tap on General, and then go to Factory Reset. And it says delete all data to restart fresh or prepare for a new owner. All right, so you can tap on that right there. A Factory Reset removes the glasses from your app. It also deletes all captures, your photos and videos on your glasses. Okay, so you want to proceed. You tap on Next, and it's in process. And then you also have to unpair. Okay, so you have unpair instructions. Basically, you have to go into your settings, your Bluetooth settings. So I'll go to Bluetooth. And then those Oakleys, I see it right there. So let me tap on that. And then from here, I can forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it would be unpair. Okay, and then that completes the factory reset, and I can connect back to this phone if I wish. Now, the other way to factory reset is we can reset it directly from the glasses here. Okay, so first thing is make sure they're turned off. Okay, so let me turn it off, and I'm gonna turn it on now. I'm gonna push the lever towards the lens. Okay, now it's on. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and close the right arm, and I can see that one LED light here. I'm going to go ahead and click this capture button 5 times, so follow along. Ready? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solid light. Now I'm going to press and hold. Press and hold now. Just hold till it starts blinking. Okay, it's blinking orange and white now. Now just wait here. Okay, now it's blinking white. Now it's going to stay blinking white about 30 seconds or so. So it's currently going through the reset process. After the white light blinks, it's going to turn green. And then as soon as the lights turn off, then the reset is done. Okay, so I'm going to stay on. I'm going to keep recording here so you can see how long this takes, all right? Come on. It's coming. Oh, okay, it's green. Now just wait till it turns off. And voila, we just factory reset these glasses. And the same thing, don't forget you have to go back to your pairing list and unpair it or forget this device if you're going to connect back to the same device.